So in this particular slide, we are going to talk about different analytics tools available in the market. So let's have a look because there are so many tools available in the market. We need to understand which is meant for what. We also need to understand what tool can be best used in what circumstances in where, right? So let's have a look at different analytics tools available in the market. Uh, so here I've tried to put the different analytics tools. Like we have Python, we have R. Couple of them are actually languages. Couple of them belongs to uh, Hadoop environment. Couple of them are visualization tools. So in the next slide, we will also talk about exactly which is the visualization tool, which is the programming language, and which actually offers you a kind of environment to build those programming languages, right? So let's have a look first of all. So this is Python, R. Python and R are basically languages. IBM SPSS is another tool which is offered by IBM. SPSS is the tool which is used for statistics. RapidMiner is another tool for machine learning. Azure, which is Microsoft product. Azure offers a machine learning environment. ClickView is again another visualization tool. Power BI is Microsoft's product and offers visualization. Mahout is Apache's product and is it again for machine learning, but here the language is different. Here the language can be Scala, can be Java. Matlab is another which is provided by MathWorks and it is again a statistical software. Julia is something which has come recently into the market and is trying to compete with Python. It's a programming language. SAS is one of the environment as well as programming language. It offers a GUI environment. It's a product of SAS AG. Statistica is another StatSoft and we have Minitab as well. Let's go into the detail of each of the analytics tools now. Okay. So SAS is a tool as well. It's a programming language as well. So it is a product of statistical analytical software by SAS AG. It's a licensed product, but you have base SAS also available for practice and for students. So if you go and register for a trial license, for a trial version or student license, student version, you would be given base SAS, a slightly different GUI, but then you can do everything whatever you want to do with regards to visualization, with regards to analytics, and with regards to a simple SAS programming, right? And it is used for business intelligence and artificial intelligence machine learning. SAS Enterprise Guide is another product of SAS, which is a licensed product and is used in the organizations. R is a language, which is an open source language, and it has huge set of libraries. When I talk about libraries does offer you different groupings of uh, packages around statistical functions, uh, mathematical functions, then programming languages, then you have machine learning packages, libraries as well. So it is widely used for statistical computing and graphics, and it is widely used in machine learning data science environment as of now. Python is another. R and Python actually compete with each other, and even Python is an open source. It has huge set of packages which offers you different packages related to like numerical computations. Then you have pandas, then you have plotly for plots and graphics, images and charts. It is widely used and there are many IDEs available, like you have Colab, you have Anaconda, Jupyter. So there are different IDEs available as well. It's a general purpose language because using Python you can create even web applications. You can even use Python for creating games. But Python is famous in the market for machine learning and data science offerings. Statistica is another software which is offered by StatSoft company. It is a statistics and analytics software. GUI is not that user friendly, but Statistica is used widely while we are doing researches, while people are actually studying, students, researchers, academicians, and professors. Matlab is another software which is by MathWorks. It's a licensed software and uses MATLAB language. So MATLAB is a separate language altogether. but again, it is widely used by researchers, professors, and students. SPSS is another software which is licensed, although trial license is also available. It connects very easily with Python and R and does offer you a statistical software and environment. Vika is very much similar to R and it is open source, though not very much in the market. NIME is also open source. It is used for machine learning, but it offers you a workflow builder like GUI environment, similar to what SAS offers. Rapid Miner is a licensed software. Student license is also available, and it offers machine learning and data science environment. Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI. These are very famous visualization softwares, and Tableau is a product of Salesforce, recently acquired by Salesforce. Earlier, it was all Tableau. Tableau was the company, and it used to give you a product Tableau. Now, Tableau has been acquired by Salesforce. So, Salesforce is another company which offers you CRM softwares, right? ClickView is offered by Click Company, and Power BI is a product of Microsoft. And all these three, Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI, are visualization softwares. They are licensed. All the student licenses are also available for a specific limited period of time. D3.js, it's not a software, but it's a kind of a library, JavaScript library. It's an open source. And using that JavaScript library, which is D3.js, we can create interactive visualizations dashboards on web, right? It's based on document object model. We create data and we connect with different objects, right? It uses scalable vector graphics, which is SVG, HTML, and CSS, which is cascading style sheets. And it does create very beautiful interactive visualizations, but the only problem is that if we compare it with Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI, then Tableau, ClickView, and Power BI are basically very user-friendly GUI based software, where D3.js requires a lot of coding at a very low level. Julia programming language. It's similar to Python and open source. Again, it is a general purpose. The way Python offers different libraries, even for creating games, even for creating web applications, and even for statistical analysis or maybe machine learning applications. Similar to Python, we have Julia as well in the market, and the reviews have come like it is very faster than Python. Apache Mahout. It is a product of Apache and it's an open source. It connects with Hadoop architecture and provides distributed high computational scalable environment. Though it is used widely for machine learning, uh, and we use languages like Scala and Java. Azure ML, which is a product of Microsoft, Azure Machine Learning, it offers a scalable platform for machine learning. Solver. Solver is another product from Frontline. It is a licensed product, although a very limited period trial version is also available, I think, for a few weeks or maybe a few months, maybe a month or two. And it is widely used for optimization. So, this is what I wanted to cover in the analytics tool available in the market. I hope you would be you would have, by this you have a proper knowledge and idea about different analytics tools which are available, and along with that, which is licensed, which is not licensed, which is open source, and even if it is a license, whether the student licenses are available or trial licenses are available or not. So I think you may have got that particular learning and idea.